we're going to expand logarithmic expressions using the logarithmic properties that we learned in the last video. So how can you use the properties of logarithms to expand an expression? So the expression we're given is log of 5, log base 5, a to b to the 7th. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to use the product property and expand these two, break them apart. So since I'm multiplying inside the parentheses, I'm going to break them apart by adding them, b to the 7th. Okay, the next thing I notice is both of my values here have an exponent. So that exponent, I'm just going to grab it and move them to the front. Bam. And I am left with 2 log of 5 of a, log base 5 of a, plus 7 log base 5 of b. All right, and that was the power of properties of the logarithms for me to expand that out the last step. So that was pretty clean, pretty straightforward, pretty quick. Let's look at another one. Let's look at a natural log. So the natural log of 25 divided by 3. First, following PEMDAS rules, can I simplify this to an integer? And 3 does not go into 25 evenly, so we cannot. The next thing I'm going to do is just pull them apart through subtraction using that quotient property. So natural log of 3. And then looking at this, thinking, is there any way I could simplify this anymore? Well, I do know that natural log is that 25 is a perfect square. So I'm actually going to pull out that perfect square to simplify even more inside the parentheses. Expand this out even more. That 2 goes to the front, so we have 2 natural log of 5 equals minus natural log of 3. So in this case, we want to rewrite to powers. So you want to rewrite any integer to a power to a power if possible. So that's going to be your 25s, your 16s, your 9s, your 4s, your 8s, which is 2 cubed, 27s, which are 3 cubed, 64s, which are 4 cubes, those types of numbers you're going to want to rewrite into a power. All right, so expanding logarithm expressions requires the use of a variety of properties. Make sure that you're mix and matching those properties. Look at the whole expression first to determine the sequence of properties that will be used. So figure out which way you want to take your properties and make sure that you don't repeat anything and things like that. So this was a quick video just kind of covering the properties and how to expand, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.